B16 transmission with the LSD. And it is locked up. The shaft is not spinning. I've already got it turned over, so I can't really show you, but just trust me, the shaft is not spinning. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this thing up and see if we can find out what's wrong with it and if it's salvageable. So here we go. Okay, so we went ahead and removed the case. You've seen me do that in other videos. If you're new to the channel, I'll go back through and I show how to do it. It's pretty easy. Basically the problem, the transmission was locked up, but now it's not because this pin, or this little directional piece, was in the wrong direction. You can see it here. So it should be facing somewhere right about there. The pin in the casing, see that down there, was basically crushing. See, it should not look like that. Just get some needle nose pliers and move it. So we're gonna see if we can't just fix this and put it back together, and it should be good as new. Ooh. Look what just pulled up. What? Okay. From what? You don't look like you're going to work. You ever stole a car? Because I'm about to. I'm totally stealing this car. Terrible. I stole my man's car. She's so nice. Hey Thomas, people want to know where you've been.
Working, man. Working.
Nuh-uh, you don't work.
Playing with fucking Vaseline. Off-brand Vaseline too. I can't afford the real shit.
So we were checking out the third and fourth gear synchros, and they look pretty chewed up on this guy. So I'm gonna order a new set, but for now, I'm gonna put it back together until we can get to what we need to fix it. The drag car is back. It was sold and then bought back. We're about to take this B16 transmission out and put a TypeR trans with LSD into it. Yay! So this is gonna be fun. Shouldn't take us too long. Uh-oh. Fat Princess Porn Star returns.
What's going on, Honda Street Garage Playboys?
Probably the 3 girls that follow the channel. I don't think girls like Hondas, Mark.
If you're a girl and like this video, please click like. We've already got everything underneath undone. Now we're gonna listen to Charlie go, eh. Oh, watch out, Playboy. Might want to disconnect that battery before you die. Yeah. We don't disconnect batteries. Shit for bitches. There's like no fucks given, so like, how about that? People.
What's next with the drag car? Fuck yeah.
Charlie just hurt himself. It's called busted knuckles.
No, fingertips.
You want a fingertip in that booty?
In the booty hole. Ouch.
Oh, you got all the weight on that thing. Oh no, she got the weight.
Got one damn downstar bolting.
I don't know why.
For a show car, duh.
For a show car.
Yeah. There's something in this water. Hey, damn 17.
17, not 14.
My battery died. It's just like
Okay, we got this mount out here. We're gonna drop this hooker down and see if we can't get this transmission off this motor and out this car. Here we go. Dropping it down. Get off the phone.
Hold on, I gotta send some pictures to a customer.
Woo! There she goes, Batman style. Whoa! Uh-oh. She almost fell out, Playboy. Oh, there she goes.
Why don't you hold on a second?
I can't hold on. I'm excited. Okay, we just dropped this thing out. I had to put the camera down and get it out. Now we're gonna put the battery on charge and get ready to throw this TypeR transmission into it. Maybe clean it up a little bit. I don't know. This is not a show car, so I don't think we're gonna be painting it or nothing like that.
Take it over me. Hey, I got two fans to put inside the front door.
Still look like that,
I can't see with a flashlight.
It's the final countdown.
We're gonna do it like this. Man it, baby.
Watch your face.
You can do that shit now.
There.
But in a few years, we're gonna do that shit.
Oh, dude, I'm already.
What's in there? Mark,
slide
I just
in
put
it.
it up there.
That's because you didn't use no jack.
You're trying to line up two holes at the same time. One of which is doing this.
Yeah, he's already got it in there.
You got a short 10mm bolt.
A short 10mm bolt.
I mean, shit like this is already on, Mark.
What do you need a 10mm?
All right.
So I can line up this bitch pin. Just like a fender bolt or something. I know they give me a 10mm bolt. I'm not trying to give me a goddamn bolt.
Here's the mount of the starter.
There it is.
There it is. He's got the crabs.
Fuck.
Why don't we just jack this up and mount it real quick?
You ain't got another bitch pin?
It wasn't.
Bitch, man, part of that. Bitch to put in?
Mm-hmm.
Or bitch to
You
get
got
out?
12mm wrench.
We had a socket.
That in and then you're done.
You good? Keep going. A little bit more. Keep going. A little bit more.
This right here going on Honda Street Garage.
Oh yeah,
Boy,
but I'll
let me
tell
see
you
this
what,
on the
shit.
Snapchat in about 30 minutes.
Oh yeah. Y'all know about titties, right? Hell yeah. Back in. You want to ground it, homeboy? Or you use this one. You know what I'm saying?
See, that is pretty strict.
JDM, bro.
Come on, boy. Let's hear this hog run. See what she shifts like. So we got the trans back in. He's gonna test drive it now. Got one headlight. Hey man, that's body work. See that two-step. Jesus. Sound like a shotgun. spinning wheels.